Cookie. It is a baked or cooked food that is typically small, flat, and sweet. In this video, I will make a bunch of cookies that doesn't need an oven to bake. It is called a no-bake cookie.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press
Here
this
are the
bell icon.
ingredients needed. I decided to place all the ingredients in the table first just to make sure that I won't mess up the accuracy of ingredients. The first step is to put the melted butter in your mixing bowl. Next is to place the brown sugar and the white sugar in the mixture. And then we will mix it until lumps of brown sugar is not seen anymore. Now that we have this mixture, we will now place our 1 piece of egg. And also our 1 piece of vanilla. Mix until all the ingredients are incorporated properly. And then we will now put our dry ingredients. The first one is our sifted 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Next is 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And again, we will mix until the mixture is properly combined. Next, we will put our 1 cup of chocolate chips and mix again. We will now store this mixture in the freezer for 30 minutes, so we need to cover it up with plastic wrapper. And after 30 minutes, make sure to pick it up from the freezer. This is now the presentation of our mixture. Now, we will roll this dough into tiny balls in order to form the famous shape of cookies, which is round. Here is now the figure of my soon-to-be cookies. I also placed more chocolate chips on top of it for presentation. We need to set the fire in just low heat, and then individually place them into the pan. Cover the pan and wait for 5 minutes on each side. Here is now my finished no-bake cookies. Of course, I had to try it first. It tastes pretty good, although it looks really far from being a cookie. And my mom also gave me a thumbs up for it, so I guess it's pretty good. And that is how you make a no-bake cookie.